Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 9 from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the topic of volume of the right circular cone. Now we discuss the volume of a right circular cone. Now proceed to the forward questions of the right circular cone, that is the question number 6. Question number 6. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28, find the height of the cone, slant height of the cone, and the chord surface area of the cone. So volume of cone, volume of cone 9856 centimeter cube, and the diameter of the base equal to 28 centimeter. So the radius of cone 28 by 2 equal to 14 centimeter. So when we find first as the height of the cone, when the volume and radius are given, then you find the height. So volume V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and that's equal to 9856 equal to 1 by 3, 22 by 7, and r 14 square into h. So it's equal to 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 14 into h, and 7 to the 14. So h is equal to, that's h is equal to 3 into 9856 upon 22 into 2 into 14. 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16. 7 7 is 49, 0 7 4 is 28, 2 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, and 2 11, 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12, 11 1 is 11, 11 6 is, and 48 centimeter is equal to height. Height is the 48 centimeter. Now we calculate the value radius and pi, that we get the volume of a height. So the first answer is height of cone. We calculate 48 centimeter. Clear? Second is the slant height of the cone. Second is the slant height of the cone. Second, slant height of cone L square equal to h square plus r square, and L is equal to h 48 square plus r 14 square L square. Now 48 square, 48 into 48, that is 48 whole square, 2304 and 196. 196. Now we add 196. And 2500. That is L square, and L is equal to under root 2500, that's equal to 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter is the slant height of the cone. 50 centimeter is the slant height of the cone. Now next is the curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cone. Third, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Now pi equal to 22/7 and R 40, L 50. centimeter square is the curved surface area of a cone. 2200 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cone. Clear? Next question. Question number 7. A right circular cone ABC with side 5, 12 and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of solid so obtain 5, 12 and 13 centimeter. Now 5 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 12 centimeter. A, B and C. ABC is a right angle triangle. This right angle triangle revolved about the side 12 centimeter. This right angle triangle revolved about the 12 side 12 centimeter. After the revolve, the triangle becomes a right circular cone. The triangles become a right circular cone of radius, right circular cone of radius 5 centimeter and the height 12 centimeter. The right angle triangle ABC of their sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. This right circular cone is revolved about the side of 12 centimeter. This right angle triangles become a right circular cone after the revolving. Then their radius is 5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Then find the volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h and 1 by 3 22 by 7 r pi square into 12. 3 4s are 12. So 22 by 7, 25 into 4. That's equal to 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube. 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube is the volume of right circular cone. Then it divide 7 by 7 3 are 21, 7 1 are 7, 7 4 are 28 and 0, 7 2 are 14, 7 8 are 56. So 314.28 centimeter cube is the volume of a right circular cone. Volume of a right circular cone. Such type of cone we find if the right angle triangle is revolved about the 5 centimeter, the right angle triangle is revolved about the 5 centimeter, the 5 centimeter becomes a height and the 12 centimeter become a radius. After the revolution of that triangle and about the 5 centimeter, such triangle become a right circular cone of radius 12 centimeter and the height 5 centimeter. Clear? So thank you.